Alright, hello all of you out there in internet land. I'm Daft and I've got a Honda XL250 1984 model. Wait, no, this is 85. There is a complete bike there. It's just invisible. Yeah, as a matter of fact, here's some photos of it from when I first picked it up and brought it home. As you can see, it's by and large pretty complete. Now, I bought this a couple of years ago as a project off eBay because it was cheap and it only picks up first and second gears. That'll be easy to fix. So I got it mostly pulled down, and then life happened and I forgot about it for a while. And I've got some time on my hands now, so I want to try and get back to actually working on it. There's got bits of it over here and bits of it over here. More of it over here. Fucking everywhere. And more of it down in those boxes. So I've been in the bottom end here a few times, and ultimately I finally worked out why this thing doesn't work. We've got this little stopper arm here, which basically just holds it in whichever gear you select. There is a tiny little washer that goes in there. It's very hard to see on the exploded diagrams, but I never actually noticed until recently that it's not in there, and that causes this to sort of tweak around, and you can't actually get the selector drum to actually move without a great deal of effort. So I've got me one of them. No, I don't. It's on the floor. I got me one of them. It's a tiny little washer, so I can finally get back into actually working on this thing and hopefully getting it to live again. As you can see, it was thoroughly brutalised by the last people who were in here. Fucking silicone carny everywhere, helicoils in every other hole. The reason why it was last gotten into, you can see it had a chain break or whatever, and it smashed up the case. This bolt just acts as a stopper for the selector shaft rather, which is also thoroughly chowdered up. Focus on that. No, whatever. But yes, I'm going to attempt to get back to working on this, because my hands kind of don't work at the moment because I done gone and smashed up my wrists on a KTM 300 EXC. Got into a fight with a tree. So I'm just going to try and find whatever little bits and pieces I can do. Get to work on polishing things up. The little things I can just do with my fingers. Clean up triple clamps and whatever I can find. Yeah, the ultimate goal for this is to not have it like full restoration, but just looking good, looking clean. I'll get the frame powder coated and have this repaint all the swing arm and get some aftermarket stickies. So last time I checked, I could get replicas for this. Pull all these dints out of the tank, hopefully as best as I can, and bog up what I can't get out. It'll be a bit of a slow process, but ultimately I hope to have it looking something like this. It's one of the other XL250s I've got. I've actually got three that'll run, and then 4 if you want to count this one back in here, behind the XR200. Actually got there. And the complete motor for it, which, whether it's salvageable I'm not sure. It's definitely been run without oil in it for a while. So yeah, that's my little project, which I want to try and document, get some videos on it as I go along, try and keep myself motivated. Get this bad boy up and running again. Even try and get it, will get it registered, I think. So now what I'll do is I think I'll start sifting through this box and remind myself of what the hell I've even got in there. Try and find whatever I can do with basically just my fingers. Start polishing things, cleaning things, sorting things into smaller boxes. and I'll let you know how I get on with that. I'll see you next time.